Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Dream Speak English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Jack. Today, we're going to practice small talk in English. Those simple, everyday conversations that help you connect with people and feel comfortable speaking English in daily life.
Small talk might seem easy, but it's actually a skill many learners find challenging. It's not just about the words you say, but how you say them, when to speak, and how to keep the conversation flowing.
Whether you're meeting someone new, chatting with a neighbor, or talking to a colleague, small talk helps build relationships and makes your English sound natural.
So let's start with the basics. What is small talk?
Small talk is light, informal conversation about everyday topics. It's usually about things like the weather, your day, hobbies, or current events. It's friendly and casual, not deep or serious.
Here's a simple example.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks. Nice weather we're having, isn't it?
Yes, it's beautiful outside.
See how easy that is? You don't need complicated sentences, just simple questions and answers to start.
Now let's practice some common small talk topics and phrases you can use.
Topic 1. Talking about the weather. Weather is the most common small talk topic. It's easy to start and everyone understands it.
Here are some phrases you can use. Nice weather today, isn't it? It's really hot or cold today. Looks like it's going to rain. I love sunny days like this. The weather has been strange lately.
Let's practice a conversation.
A. Hello, nice weather today, isn't it?
Yes, it's very sunny and warm. Perfect for a walk.
I agree. I'm glad the rain stopped.
Me too. I hate getting wet.
Topic 2. Asking about someone's day. People like to talk about their day. It shows you care and helps keep the conversation going.
Here are some useful phrases. How was your day? Did you have a good day? What did you do today? Anything interesting happened today? How's your day going so far?
Example conversation.
Hi, how was your day?
It was good, thanks. I went to work and then met a friend for coffee.
That sounds nice. What did you talk about?
Just everyday things, work, family, and plans for the weekend. Topic 3. Talking about hobbies.
Hobbies are a great way to find common interests.
Here are some phrases. What do you like to do in your free time? Do you have any hobbies? I enjoy reading, watching movies, sports. Have you tried any new activities recently? I love playing football, painting, cooking.
Practice conversation.
A. So what do you like to do in your free time?
B. I enjoy reading books and going hiking. How about you?
A. I like watching movies and cooking new recipes.
B. That's great. Maybe you can share some recipes with me sometime.
Topic 4. Compliments and small talk.
Giving compliments is a nice way to start or continue a conversation.
Examples include, I like your shoes. That's a nice bag. You have a great smile. I love your haircut. Your English is very good.
Example conversation.
Hi, I like your jacket. It looks great on you.
Thank you. I just bought it last week.
It's very stylish. Where did you get it?
At the mall downtown.
Topic 5. Asking simple questions.
Questions keep the conversation alive. Here are some easy ones. Where are you from? Do you live nearby? What do you do for work? Have you been here before? Do you like this place?
Example conversation.
Hi, where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. And you?
I'm from Canada. Do you like it here?
Yes, it's a beautiful city.
Tips for successful small talk.
Here are some tips to help you with small talk. Smile and make eye contact. It shows you're friendly and interested. Listen carefully. Small talk is a two-way conversation. Use simple language. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Ask open-ended questions. These need more than yes/no answers. Be positive and polite. Avoid controversial topics. Practice regularly. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Welcome back to Dream Speak English. Now that we've practiced some common small talk topics, let's explore more ways to keep conversations flowing naturally.
That's right, Sarah. Small talk is not just about asking questions. It's also about sharing your own thoughts and feelings.
For example, when someone asks, "How was your day?" you can answer with more than just good or fine. Try adding details like, "It was busy, but I enjoyed my lunch with friends."
Let's practice some phrases to share your thoughts.
"I had a great day because I finished my project."
I felt tired, but I'm happy with my work.
"The weather was beautiful, so I went for a walk."
I'm excited about the weekend plans. Now, let's practice a conversation where you share your day with a friend.
"Hi, Jack. How was your day?"
Hi, Sarah. It was good. I worked on a new project and had a nice lunch.
That sounds great. Did you do anything fun after work?
Yes, I went for a run in the park. It was refreshing.
I'm glad to hear that. I spent the evening reading a book.
Notice how sharing details makes the conversation more engaging.
Another way to keep small talk going is to talk about current events or popular topics.
For example, you can say, "Did you watch the game last night?" Or "Have you seen the new movie?"
These topics are easy to discuss and help you connect with others.
Let's practice some current event phrases.
Did you watch the football match?
Yes, it was exciting.
Have you seen the latest movie?
Not yet, but I want to.
Now let's talk about giving compliments, a great way to make people feel good and keep conversations positive. Compliments can be about appearance, skills, or things people do.
For example, "I like your jacket," or "You speak English very well."
Let's practice compliments.
"Your shoes are nice."
You did a great job.
"I love your smile."
You're very kind.
Compliments help build rapport and make conversations enjoyable.
Another important skill is knowing how to politely end a conversation.
You can say, "It was nice talking to you," or "I have to go now, but let's chat again soon."
Or, "Have a great day," or "See you later."
Let's practice ending conversations politely.
It was nice talking to you.
"I have to go now. See you soon."
Have a great day.
Bye.
Remember, small talk is about being friendly, polite, and interested.
Now, let's practice a full small talk conversation from start to finish.
"Hi, how are you today?"
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
"I'm fine. Nice weather we're having, isn't it?"
Yes, it's beautiful outside.
"Did you watch the game last night?"
Yes, it was exciting.
"I like your jacket. It looks great on you."
Thank you.
"Well, I have to go now. It was nice talking to you."
You too. Have a great day.
Great job. Keep practicing conversations like this every day.
Thank you for joining us today on Dream Speak English. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe and like this video.
Share it with friends who want to improve their English speaking skills.
Leave a comment telling us your favorite small talk topic.
Keep practicing, stay motivated, and see you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.
Bye.